Had in my people's what it do. So I'm gonna try and make this quick as possible. I always say that and end up being a little long-winded. But Nike came through today. So got my packs in. So let's get to start off with the lightweight package. So let me see what side. Look like that'll be better. That old Nike tape and stuff. They trying to get our stuff stolen. But it's all good. It's all good, I guess. They didn't have to send a big box for this unless they sent some extra stuff, which would be nice. But this is all that's in there. This right here is all. That's all just paper. That's all just paper. So this right here. So cop this. This is short. This is short. I'm trying to see the best way to open it. Yeah, we're gonna tear through it. Thought it might have a flap or something. But I like the material. Oh, I like that material. That material nice. But what size is this? Size medium. You know, I like to rock my smalls and stuff, but that's all they had. But I really did like this shirt. So that 23 got the Jordan brand, and it got that snakeskin 11 on there. So I probably write these with the Concords or something. Oh, look at it. Was the retail? Retail was 35. I think he was on sale. I think I got it for like 20. I think. I'm sure it was like 20. Cause if it wasn't, I wouldn't have bought it. But that's nice, man. I like that. I like that right there. Look like it got a little size on it. Like I don't know how big it's gonna be. Let me hell with it. See what the medium looking like. Ain't that big? See, it's nice. Got the old 11. That's tight. I had to go back old school. That's tight. That's tight. Shade. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So, big box. Big box. What this is. What this is. I'm saying what this is. Like, I ain't put it in the description. So, this is YouTube first. I haven't seen these on YouTube. I have seen these, but not this colorway. So, hopefully I'm putting y'all on to something new.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
I seen these. I like this colorway instantly. I thought these were fly. I like the other ones as well. So we're not. I mean, like the other version of this. So getting into this box is kind of big. I hope it got my right size. I didn't look yet. I'm showing y'all first. Let me see. Box big. Size 9. Jordan westbrook 0.2 SE. So these are supposed to be lighter. Let me break out. This is the other versions of the shoe. So that's the original. That's the Jordan 2.0, the westbrook 0.2.0, and these are the 2.0 SEs. And you see what the differences is with this. So you see it right there, right there. And these are supposed to be a lightweight version of them. I like these. I think these raw, man. I just like the way that these Westbrooks are put together, man. They just, I don't know, it look like a classic basketball sneaker, man. Like, I don't know, it look kind of Air Max-ish and stuff too. Like, I don't know, it's just something about it. I might put these on with some jeans and stuff, man. Shit, I like these. I like these. Definitely jogger worthy, shorts worthy. Might be jeans worthy, man. Hey, shit, Mike could do it. These are cold, man. I really like this. See what the difference is all with them. Like off top, these got like that spawn cloak on the back. They got this right here. They don't have that on these. Shit. Similarities. This right here, they have like a solid thing right here, right there. This right here is translucent. And they also in the forefront, they have like a little hard material right there coming from the lace area. And as you can see on here is just like a fly wire. And the other little hints and stuff. I like that stitching on the inside. Like they have a little bit of that stitching right there, but on here is more of a zigzag big stitch on there. I like that, man. I like that. Shit, these are clean. These are clean right here. Like it's for my first. Like it's not exactly the most scientific thing in the world. I don't notice too much. I don't notice too much. It might be like an ounce or something. So it's not too much differences and stuff. I like in the back these have like his autograph on there. On these it has look kind of like a barcode or something. But I like that. I like that Jumpman that's on the tongue. On these right here, they have the Westbrook symbol. And shade. I see they have the tag in the back on these. I do like the tag aspect just hanging out. They don't have that on these. Well, they might. No, I thought it might have been on the other shoe. No, they don't have that tag on this side. They do have some writing if you look close. There's like some wide knot and stuff underneath that fly wire. There's this small font on there so you can kind of see that. Look at the differences in the bottoms and stuff. Shit, it's pretty simple. It's the same basically. The same basically. I could have swore that they said there was something. I think I see what the difference is. Like you can see, but if you look real close, like some of the holes, like the circles have little holes inside of them. So I guess that makes for more suction or something. Maybe, I guess, maybe it'll hold the court a little better. But you see the differences. And I like that little neon hint at the bottom. And it's a plastic, but it's like traditionally they got their carbon fiber on the Jordans. This is more like a hard plastic. But shit, it is very hard, but I don't think, it's not no carbon fiber. And they have the sizing tag at the bottom of the shoe as like on the other one. Shit, these are dope, man. These are real dope. I really like these. I haven't seen these on YouTube. Oh, let me see. And as far as the material, these right here, how can I overlook that? These are more like a kind of a hard mesh type material or something. Like it looked very thick. This is more of you can see the texture. You can see the texture is very different. Like it's a big texture and this is real lightly done. So you see the uppers are different on these shoes. So that's a big difference as well. And so that's about it that I can see off top. See, with the inside doesn't have anything, as well as these. They don't have anything in the inside. They come with a cardboard tree. So it's almost about to be dark, man. I've been running the streets, but I'm gonna try to get an on foot on real quick. See if they got a little bit more light. Try to get an on foot real quick and wrap this video up, man. So I'll let you. that's been the video. I love these. They inanimate objects and stuff. You don't supposed to love material things and etc. I love these though. I like these. These are individual and stuff, but they look kind of toyish and stuff right there. These right here, the SEs, they got it right. These are cold, man. I really like these. I like the way they feel. I like the way those feel as well, but these feel a little bit better. Man, just the look of them on feet. I love the way they look. To me, they look like a high-end kind of dad shoe. Like how people be wearing them Pumas and stuff. It got like kind of that colorway of like a lot of those shoes. But it has that basketball shape to it and stuff that I like. I like these, man. I like these. I'm going to pull these out. These are something that people going to be like, what are those, man? But not in a what are those kind of way, but in like, damn, those fire. Shit. Man, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. They had these on sale on the app and whatever, on the Nike site. So I got the stuff. It was $150, but with the -30. So whenever it took the stuff off of this particular pair, it turned out to be like 101. In the shirt, they took off on that, and they took off on the bag and stuff. So everything took off a little bit of money, but these end up being like 101. But altogether, it was like $130 something for 3 things: for this, the shirt, and the bag that I had on last video. But shit, a good little deal, man. Nike, salute. But you can send a brother something for free. But like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated, man. Holla at your boy. Peace out.